Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your address on Etsy. You can easily change your shipping address or billing address in Etsy. First of all, launch open the Etsy application on your device, or you may also go visit etsy.com and log in with a web browser. Once you're inside the home page of Etsy, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. From your profile section, click on Settings. On the next page where you see the Settings tab, tap on Manage Address. Now, go ahead and tap on Add a new address at the top if you need to change your address. Now, enter your country details. Select your country from the drop-down and then enter your full name, street address, city suburbs name, or any other information that is given. After typing down all of the information under new address, go ahead and tap on this square box where it says Set as Default in order to change your default address. Now tap on Save and then you will be able to see a new address added in your address field. You can now go ahead and delete the another address by tapping on it and clicking on Delete. But you can also leave it as it is since the default address is now the new one. So that is how you easily change your address in Etsy. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.